Welcome to gridof.com. If you are new here, my name is Aluko, and in this video I'm going to show you how to design this simple Newman flyer using gridof.com. So I'm just going to navigate to Gridof, then I'll continue to my dashboard since I'm already signed in. Then I'll create a new design. I'll just go with the YouTube thumbnail canvas. Then I'll just edit the color or modify the color of my canvas to a blue color. And I have a specific hex code, which is 0048 BD. Then I'll just enter that, and there is the, sorry, so I accidentally selected another color, so I'll go ahead and edit that again. It's 0048 BD, like that. And then of course I will now bring in the text, so I'll just use the heading. So what I'm going to do here is first select a specific font family. I'll go with let me just try to look for a good font family here. Polish. Let me try to write July and see what I get. And that's not okay. I'll try to select another font family here. Maybe just Vincent's. Yeah, this looks better. Then I'll just edit letter by letter. I'm just going to scale this all the way. And let me check the reference image. Yeah, there's actually a different font family. So I'm really not sure which font family is this, but I'll just try to figure out. So let me try to change this to something else. Maybe Poppins. Let's have July and see what we get. Exactly, so it's Poppins. So I'll deal with the one letter at a time. So the first thing I'll do is just to work on the color of this letter, which is going to be linear gradient. Then at the top, I'll want to use the color of my canvas, which is 0048 BD. So let me click on it again, then edit this color. So the hex code is supposed to be 00. So let me remove this. So 0048, then B, then D, like that. Then I'll enter. Then the lower color is just going to be white. I'll also rotate the angle so that the blue part is at the top. That. Then I'll just duplicate this for the other text. So Control D to duplicate. Then I'll just delete that and add U. But I want to alternate the gradient angle here so that the blue comes to the bottom and the white goes to the top. So the white one is supposed to be 0048 B, then D. Then I'll just enter that. Then I'll just change the top one to white, like that. And I'll just play with the angle a little so that the blue one is perfectly at the bottom. Then now the next letter, which is going to be L, is supposed to have the same pattern as the J, so it's alternating. So I will duplicate J and take it all the way there, then delete it and add L. Then the Y is supposed to be same pattern as U, so Control D to duplicate this U, then take it to that position and just delete the letter and add Y like that. So I'm just going to select all this and drag it to the center and probably scale it down a little like that. Then I'm going to bring in an image. I have it in my desktop, so I'll just open that. So what I'm going to do is just to remove the background color. So we have a basic background color remover here. We're going to give it a few seconds to do that, maybe 30 seconds or 15 seconds to remove the background. It's done. Then I'm just going to trim off these sides that I don't need so that it's easier to work with this image like that. Then I'll just scale it all the way. Let me check the reference. So the U is supposed to be on top of the image, but the L is supposed to be below the image, and Y is also supposed to be on top of the image. So that's very simple to fix within the grid off. So I'm just going to select the U, right click, then bring it to the front. Then I'll do the same to the Y. I'll right click and bring it to front. Then if I scale this and drag it all the way, you can see that we are able to achieve that. Let me scale it one more time like that. Then we just add the welcome text, which is well, happy new month. So let's do that. I'll just use the sub heading here, and for the font family I'll just choose Comforter, and for the color there's going to be one color which is pure white, and then I'll edit this to welcome. Is it welcome or happy? So it's happy new month. So I'll just expand this so that that is aligned in one line like that. Let me check. Yeah. So this is a lowercase. Yeah, I think we have replicated what is in the template or our reference design. So once you're contented with what you've designed, you simply go ahead and download. But you can as well also edit the title of your project so that it's easier for you to track all your projects. So you can call this a new month flyer. That I hope that is the spelling of a flyer. Then you'll go ahead and download your desired format. It can be a PNG, JPG, WebP, or SVG, or even a PDF. So just download the JPG, and if I open this in my browser, see that I have my design. So as simple as this. Thank you for taking your time to watch the video. Of course, if you don't have an account, you can go ahead and sign up for free. You don't have to enter any credit card details. This is completely free. See you in the next one.